Jesus Christ, this gives me nightmares. I was fixed on this video for far too long, and I don't really understand why. I mean, first of all, let's look at the tech here. Like, that looks spot on.
This is Sam Altman and the CEO of OpenAI, and this video is made by Theo. It's quite funny. It's quite funny.
I wish we could. Well, I don't wish, because it just, I don't know, it does something to my brain. It's brain rot, right? It's brain rot.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're talking about two things here. We're making it very confusing. Sora 2, sorry, is the new video model from OpenAI, and it's very impressive. The sort of stuff. Have you got any examples of anything decent in here?
No,
the first. Here we go.
Yeah, that too. This is their own examples. I don't
This
like
looks a
the
bit
eyes. The eyes look so dead in some of the videos.
I mean, this is Sora. This is all Sora. And yeah, this is just incredible. I don't know. There's been a few video models. We don't really follow video models too much on this channel, but like, there's been a few interesting ones that have come up recently. But this is good. It's the latest.
You see like crazy camera movements, and the characters stay consistent. The scenes change, and there is, by the way, sound. We cannot show it over the video, but there is sound in the videos, and
We're
it's
gonna get.
very, very, very impressive what you can do with it.
And then saying that, alongside the release of Sora 2, as if these videos, these very impressive videos, wasn't enough, they've also released the Sora app, which I can't download, you can't download, but it's a TikTok-like experience for Sora created content. Sora created brain rot content, and which is why you saw this horrendous video.
So all of this comes with this app, and inside of this app, you essentially have only AI created video. So it's not like, on Instagram where you second guess if it's AI or not. On this app, it's only AI. And what you can do, you can allow your friends to use your face to make a video. And so you allow people to do that, and you use them. Yeah. You make a video with their face and make something funny, and people take it and share it on other social media. And there are also CCTV videos, like, the style of CCTVs. That one of them went viral. Let me see if I can actually find it.
While you find that, like, just to be clear about this as well, the process of allowing yourself to be used, your likeness and whatever, it's a simple. You read 3 words, and you just move your face, and from that information, maybe everyone knows what Theo looks like. That looks spot on, and this very much looks like Sam Altman.
Yeah,
all from nothing.
A few seconds. Yeah. Sam Altman is stealing a graphics card because the joke is that they need a lot.
I mean, the fact that the graphic card just floats into his hand is a bit of a
of course. It is easy for us to watch this and be like, oh, that's AI.
Yeah.
But not
most people are just flicking, right?
Yeah, like, imagine you take your friends' pictures or whatever, and you use it to frame them to do something funny, but it, I don't know, cause some trouble.
Because where's the Sora logo? That's the thing. Because what he's done, he's generated this video, he's playing it on a TV, and he's filming the video.
Yeah, there's a Sora logo, but there are AI tools that you can use to remove.
I see something here. So I think they've cropped it very.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But
anyway,
it doesn't matter. You can still show watermarks that are not visible to human eye, but software can read them, or it can be like between the frames so that your eyes cannot see them, but you can you use some software to recognize it. So that is possible. But it's crazy where it's going.
Yeah.
So what does it mean for the society? Does it mean, like, can we trust video again? Like,
we shouldn't already be trusting video. We already know that it's.
We should. Like, we could in the past.
Yeah.
If you would see a video of me stealing something 10 years ago, if it was clearly me, you would pretty much, you'd be sure that it's me.
Yeah, I I don't know. It's the societal impact of this. I don't know. It goes back to me telling you the very first question you asked me about. Yes, you're producing content, but if it's low quality, that damages your reputation.
Yeah,
This could, on the sideline, be slowly damaging the reputation of the internet. This idea that people are releasing video footage that because before Sora, by the way, we're just using this is just Sora's just our launching pad to this discussion, but
yeah,
I saw a killer whale eat someone, and it was so clear AI because it was really bad. But the comment section did not see that it was AI and stuff like that. And I think the more and more people will learn what AI is, and that more and more stuff that gets created, it just either will people just will skip past it. They won't get the views that they're after. These are the people that are making it. Or the consumers would be like, do you know what? I just don't go on the internet anymore because I literally um, can't trust anything I see.
yeah,
I watched a video today or something, Penguin Zero, that guy, and he spoke about a headline that was released about a guy who held someone at gunpoint for killing his dog. So he ran over a guy ran over some other person's dog. The owner of the dog ran over, obviously took him at gunpoint, made him dig the dog a grave, and made him do this, that, and the other. The comment section, the headline obviously summarized this, as headlines always have done for centuries. Well, maybe not centuries, but you know what I mean, for hundreds of years. The comment section is like, yes, obviously America agreeing with taking someone at gunpoint. Yes, this is so, he deserved it. He killed a dog. This is disgusting. But actually, you go in to read the article, and you begin to realize, or you understand, that the guy who took the person at gunpoint, the owner of the dog, is actually just some psycho. Now, I don't know the specifics of all of that sort of stuff, but it's a kind of chicken and egg thing that was going through my mind, which was like, people learn that humans are just lazy, inherently lazy, and
yeah,
they've almost gamified, or they've almost kind of leveraging that by knowing that people don't read past the headline, and that's where they make their you know snap decisions. And so marketers, or whoever you want to call them, they'll craft their headlines in such a way where they can shift narrative either intentionally or unintentionally. All that to be said is that we're just forever terrible at not doing our due diligence as much as we should. You know, we'll
yeah,
see a video now. There'll be, in 20 years, there'll still be people who don't know. Let's say this video is the headline, who don't go beyond the headline. But there'll be a large portion of people who will be like, just got to make sure that's AI. Just got to make sure, like, I don't, that box moves weirdly on the screen there. That's definitely AI. So the damage is done, I think, and yeah, we'll just have lazy people who just believe everything that's put in front of them.
I don't know if they are lazy, but it's,
I mean, lazy to be human nature. We are
yeah,
all inherently lazy. We are all electricity, but
yeah.
yeah, I don't mean to shun people who are lazy. I actually, in some ways admire them, that they don't go down rabbit holes. They just take things at face value and move on, whatever. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.